Welcome back to another lesson with the Boys and Girls Club of the Piedmont. Today we're going to be learning how to find missing angles. What is an angle? So down here you can see an orange line. You see the line that has an arrow pointing, that's a line. And an angle is a space between two intersecting lines or rays. So here we have the blue line or ray, and then we have the orange line or ray, and then the area right between it is called the angle. How do we find the measure of an angle? We can do the easy way, which is use a protractor, but it's not always accurate, especially when you're on doing tests. So you can use a protractor to find it, but if we don't have a protractor, how do we find the missing angle? It's easy. We're just going to look right below. Here is the angle, and say they told you that the measure of the whole angle is 105 degrees. But if we drew a line right in the middle, and on the test, it tells you that from the green line to the orange line is 74 degrees, but they want to know from the blue line to the green line how much that is. All we have to do is 74 plus the question mark, we don't know, equals 105, because we know that the total angle is 105, and we know that this from the green to the orange is 74, so we just need to know the missing number to get to the 105. So to solve for this, we subtract 74 from both sides, and we're left with 31. So the missing angle here is 31 degrees. Let's try another one. Find the missing angle below. Here's another angle. We have the blue line to the orange line. That is a total of 130 degrees. Then here we go. We have the intersecting line in between. And we're told that from the small blue line to the orange line is 62 degrees. But we don't know what this, from the two blues, we don't know what that angle is. So to solve for that, we subtract 62 from both sides. Of course, 62 take away 62 is 0, so we're left with question mark equals. Then we can't take away 2 from the 0, so we're going to take out the 0, borrow from the 3, that becomes a 2, that becomes a 10. 10 take away 2 is 8. 2 cannot take away 6, so we've got to regroup that 100 and make that a 12. 12 take away 6 is 6, and 0 take away 0, 0 is 0, so the answer is 68. So it's pretty easy. You guys can try it at home, and just remember that if you're given a whole number of the whole angle, you're just going to be subtracting to find the other angle. Thank you for joining us.